Well, hello guys! This time it's going to be a little bit more happy review about amazing knives for $15.99. It was a Prime Day, so it was a little bit cheaper. Normally it's $19.99, but I got these two for $15.99 each. And this is the Eafengrow. This is 230. This is 237. Okay. And it's gonna be about this body here. So I'm gonna put this on side here. And this is a really nice knife. I was amazed. The handle is fantastic. Okay, it's just perfect, perfect grip on the handle. And look at that. Look at that cut. You can say cut, right? I'm talking about knives. Look how nicely is that blade engaged into the handle. There is nothing sticking out, like for example here and the M. Velona, which is a nice knife, but I wish that blade was a little bit more engaged into the handle. It's sticking out just way too much. Okay, but this is just amazing. This is already beauty when it's folded. Okay, when you open it, the blade is fine. It's not beauty, but it's fine. It's a flat grind, and it's for slicing the meat, you know, when you're grilling in your backyard, or when you want to slice tomato or peel the apple or mango. It's not for going hunting the elephants or lions, like most of you do. But this is just for a regular guy cooking in his backyard and cutting some fruit. So that's a perfect slicer. Okay, just a plain blade, jimpings on the top, which are actually pretty good. I mean, you know, they're not overly sharp, not overly dull. They're pretty decent. And the ratio blade to the handle, it's really nice too. Okay, you don't have an overly big handle or overly big blade. It's a good ratio. And let's go into the action here. Okay, the lock. It has a good retention on the lock, and when you flip it, let's see if I can fail it. Almost. Okay, so it's good retention on this lock. The action is good. It's not like fantastic, but it's good. And let's see how it holds. Okay, it holds perfectly fine. It does not open on its own. So, well, okay, let's go into the clip and let me actually let you look at it first, kind of from close. Okay. For this price, I think it's a fantastic knife. And for most of you will just do the job. Oh, D2 blade. I don't know how good is the D2, but I will find out. So let's go into the clip. Yeah, the clip is rigid. Screws sticking out here, which does not get into the way. There's a plenty of room for a pants, for a pocket or whatever. So those are sticking out, okay? And that thing is pretty rigid, I have to say. But other than that, I have no other issues with this knife. Nice jumping on the switch here. I believe it's running on, as I can see from here, it's running on bearings. So again, Eafengrow 230. This is a really nice knife for that price. $19.99 right now on Amazon. Fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna cut it short. That's it. I'll just look at it closer this way. Is it centered? Yes, it is. Didn't even check that. But it is nicely centered. Okay. Oh, let's go into the measurements too. I forgot about the measurements. So, let's see. The cutting edge, which is the most important part, is almost 3.5. I mean, yeah, I would call it 3.5 inch. The whole length is 8 inches, 8 and 1/16 maybe, and the handle 4 3/8. Okay. I think that's it. It feels good in the hand. The lock functioning nicely. What else would you want from knife under $20, right? All right. Next time.